My name is Rebecca. I'm one of the owners of Northwest Lumpia. And today I'm going to do a very short video about how to do the brown sugar banana. Now the brown sugar banana is one of my most favorite dish lumpia, but it's a very complicated process. So that's why it gets a video all to its own. They come into little bags like this, has the name on them, and if you take the sticker off, and it'll have the number 10 behind it for the brown sugar banana. Now, if you are fortunate, and hopefully you are, you will get a bag of brown sugar banana that looks like this. You really want the ugliest lumpia you can find because that's that brown sugar oozing out of the wrapper, and then when you cook this, that's gonna fry up so nice and golden brown and just give you a really nice caramelization. So only a couple of things that we're going to need. We have our pan with about 1/4 inch of oil in it getting hot. I have my deep fryer with my pan already. So when we're doing the brown sugar banana, they splatter more than any of the other ones. So I like to use a splatter guard. I just put it right over the top whenever I'm cooking. And then also, because the brown sugar banana is very soft, when it's cooking, I like to use something like this instead of a fork or the little pincher things. Because if you use a fork, it pokes holes in it, and then you have lumpia mess all over the place because the brown sugar comes out, and then it's a horrendous mess. So let's start with putting them into our deep fryer. Once again, my deep fryer, I'm very fortunate. It actually has a lid, so I'm able to put things in it and then put the lid on it. So with these ones, we're just going to take the brown sugar bananas and just put them in there. And so we're going to put these and just drop them in there, and you see how they start bubbling immediately? And then we're going to put the lid on them. So in about 3 minutes, or even sometimes it's only 2 minutes, just pay attention to it. And then here we go for the skillet. Now, like I said, this one is going to splatter. So make sure that you have your splatter guard handy, that you're able to use it. And then with your slotted spoon, just turn them over just a little bit so that they knock off the majority of the ice crystals. That will help you quite a bit as far as the splattering. So we'll put the splatter guard back up there. Now we just need to wait our 2.5 minutes. And now we're just going to take a peek and let's look at these. Oh, look at that. We've still got about another minute to go, and they are brown and beautiful. So we'll go ahead and drop those back in there. So these lumpias, come on in, all the way in. So you can tell that they're ready when you notice that when they're in there. Do you see this right here? What that is, right there. What that is, there we go, that's what I'm talking about. That is the brown sugar and the banana. It is literally so hot inside that banana that it just literally boiled and exploded. Now that's good for a couple of things. For one, that means that our lumpia is hot enough that it caramelized. And for two, it gives us this really nice, beautiful brown. Look at the skillet fry ones. Once again, we use our splatter guard, and look at how beautiful these are. Look at that. And see, what I'm talking about is this little thing right here. That is actually just the brown sugar melting in the oil. So whenever you pick that up, you're gonna grab a hold of that with this really nice spoon, and then just, now I do not put my brown sugar bananas on paper towels or a paper plate or anything like that. I always put them on a metal tray. The reason for that is the brown sugar banana really likes to caramelize, especially on the outside of the lumpia. And just to give you kind of a benefit of what I'm talking about, if you were to put that on here, and then now you see, and that's the caramelization process that happens. And that happens sometimes, if you're lucky, to the entire outside of this lumpia. Pretty delicious, isn't it? So once again, take a look at these beautiful lumpias. Now that we've had a little bit of time and they've had the opportunity to cool off, you'll notice that this time they're actually hard. And they are hard and crunchy because that brown sugar has caramelized and really put a nice caramelized film over the top of that. And once again, that's why we use this slotted spoon, because if you use a fork, then it's going to cut a hole in there, and then all that stuff is going to go out everywhere. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in to Northwest Lumpia's channel, and thanks and have a great day.